In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to find Clipboard on iPhone. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that iPhones do not have a built-in clipboard manager that stores all your copied items. Your iPhone only stores the most recent thing you copied. The easiest way to check your clipboard is by using any text-based app. Simply copy the text, then open the Notes app or any app where you can type. Tap and select Paste. Whatever appears on the screen is the current content saved in your clipboard. If you want more advanced features, the second option is to use a third-party clipboard app. Launch your App Store, search for the app Clipboard. Choose any of the app that fits your needs. These apps allow you to save and manage multiple copied items. After installing the app, copy some text, open the Clipboard app and allow paste access when prompted. The copied text will appear and you can tap to expand it and view the full content. And that's it. This way you can easily find Clipboard on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.